Good morning. Today I am going to discuss about the company law and corporate governance. Introduction to company law. The company law provides a conceptual introduction and a clear framework with which to navigate the intricacies of company law. The company book analyzes the mechanisms through which the law provides an organizational structure for the conduct of business. Company under the Companies Act, in terms of the Companies Act 2013. At 13 Act number 18 of 2013, a company means a company incorporated under this act or under any previous company law, section 2 subsection 20. In common law, a company is a legal person or legal entity separate from and capable of surviving beyond the lives of its members. History of Indian Company Law. The history of Indian Company Law began with the Joint Stock Companies Act of 1850. Thereafter, a cumulative process of amendment and consolidation brought us to the most comprehensive and complicated piece of legislation, the Companies Act 1956. As of today, the Companies Act 2013 has replaced the Companies Act of 1956. Can a company secretary practice in become partners of LLP? The Council of the Institute has passed the following resolution under the regulation of 168 allowing company secretaries in practice to become partners of LLP, the objects of which includes areas which fall within the scope of non-attestation services of the profession of company secretaries or in any other business occupations. Characteristics of company. First one is voluntary association, separate legal entity, artificial person, perpetual succession, common seal, limited liability, transferability of shares, diffused ownership, separation on ownership from management. Voluntary association. A voluntary association is a company is a voluntary association of person. A group of person who has common object join and form an association in order to direct their efforts towards achievement of their common goal. Next, separate legal entity. A company is a legal entity separate from its members. The company is not liable for the individual debts of its members. Similarly, members are not liable for the debts of the company. So, the creditors of the company can recover their money only from the property of the company. As the company has separate legal entity, members can enter into contracts with the company like any other individual. A company comes into an existence through law, so it is called as an artificial person, but it enjoys all the rights of a natural person. It can enter into contracts and own the property in its name. It can be others and be sued by others. Limited liability. The liability of the members of the company is limited to the amount unpaid on their respective shareholding numbers. Can the company secretary in practice become partners of LLP? Yes, the Council of Institute has passed the following resolution under the regulation 168 allowing company secretaries in practice to become partners of LLP, the objects of which include areas which falls within the scope of non-attestation services of the profession of a company secretaries in any other business or occupations. Thank you.